I did have a little bit of questions on the complimentary maintenance.
Sure.
What does that include?
Then it includes a tire rotation and an oil change twice. Those are about $80. So we're going to pay for the first $160 worth of oil changes and tire rotations for you. Now, why do you think we're doing that, Reese?
Because y'all wanted to sell me a car today.
Well, we certainly didn't want to sell you a car today. We wanted to help you buy a car today, okay? But we do this because we've got a terrific service department. I mean, it is absolutely awesome. It's state of the art. But you don't know that. So we're willing to pay you to use that service department so you can enjoy the Steve Paget service experience. On us for the first two, and we figure after you experience it twice, you'll be hooked and you'll continue using our service department. That's why we pay for your first two oil changes and tire rotations. Cool?